20 carats. This is grade 2 Lightning Ridge rough opal. Alright, let's take this guy first. There's not a whole lot of gamble in this one. This is a technical piece. It's going to give you a really nice red opal. Not 100%, but maybe 95%. See, the color goes all the way around. There's a couple of color bars. There's a real hard red bar that rides directly above the potch here. And then there's 2 bars above that. A green bar up on top, and there's another mixed bar that's sandwiched in there. This looks like it's going to cut a B5 white. These look better under. Look how the red pops in less light. These are ones that really perform well around dawn and dusk after they're cut. Better for the free kick here, this little ring stone.